dear friends, welcome to Life's Encouragement channel. Today's our topic is Gaur Gopal Das Motivational quotes. So here we go. Darkness cannot derive out darkness, only light can do that. Hate cannot derive out hate, only love can do that. Anyone can find the dirt in someone, be the one that finds the gold. Live your life in such a way that those who know you but don't know God will come to know God because they know you. It is strange that sword and words have the same letters. Worry never robs tomorrow of its sorrow, it only takes today of its joy. When things are beyond our control and there is nothing you can do, why worry? We must find positivity in the blackest situations and live by the principle of gratitude. Everyone wants to get ahead of each other, and when they cannot, they get angry. This service you do for others, the rent you pay for your room here on earth. Fight the strong urge to judge someone based on an initial interaction with them. Everyone has the fascinating story that we know nothing about. If you want to change the way you feel, change the way you live. Feed your faith and all your doubts shall strive to death. To focus on what we can do is the most powerful catalyst for growth. Light of wisdom makes one feel light of the inner burdens in life. Whenever there is a setback, just sit back and try to see the silver lining around the cloud. Happiness seems like a butterfly, oh, so close, but eluding us when we try to grab it. Everyone experiences anxiety, but they test different flavors of it. Self-discipline is about taking charge of your mind and directing it to act in the best interest of yourself.